Hello and welcome back to K&F Design. If you're new here, my name is Katie. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe down below. It really does help so I can keep crafting with you and bringing fun crafts. Today I found this really pretty mandala stencil at Dollar Tree, and I just happened to have a canvas from Dollar Tree that would fit it perfectly, so I'm going to do a fun project with that. So you just need a canvas, a stencil. I have made my own stencils, so if you want, you can also follow that, make your own stencil, or pick up one that you like from Dollar Tree or another craft store. And then I'm going to be using some acrylic paints. I like these apple barrel ones, but just any paint would work. And then of course some paintbrushes. So with that, let's get crafting. I decided to start with some blues and purples. My first blue I have is Mountain Blue. That's here. Then this one, Caribbean. My dark purple here, Wild Iris. This one's kind of a shiny shimmer to it. It's actually a focal metallic purple. That's this one. And my light purple here. Not sure what all I will use, but I have those ready to go, so we'll see. And then for my stencil here, I am going to do this gold metallic. So I think that'll look really nice. I'm just going to mix them. You could leave just the one in the middle if you wanted, or you could add these sides. I was debating just 2 sides, but I kind of like all of these sides, especially in this corner right up here. You can tell I got a little messy, so just take your time. Don't get too much paint on your paintbrush, otherwise this blobbing will happen. But I really like how it turned out. Before we end, I just wanted to give you a little tip on how to clean your stencil. This is a pretty sturdy stencil, so I just used this brush here and with some water, and I just scrubbed it, and it came off really pretty quickly. So that's how I did that. And here is one more look at our piece. I hope you enjoyed this fun, quick little DIY craft that you could do with maybe your family or just for yourself. All kinds of different stencils could be used as well to make all kinds of fun pieces of artwork. Again, when I do stencils, I like to use those brushes that have a stiff bristle, and try not to get too much paint on it like I did in my corner up here, and just do that dabbing motion like I showed you. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to seeing what pieces you make. Thanks and happy crafting!